80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in I be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So this video is kind of a video before BIMMER Invasion. You know, BIMMER Invasion is on April 4th. Today is the 3rd, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that video to drop, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And right now we're still trying to tune the F10, man, so we could start pushing some power. I had to swap out some O2 sensors and all of that, so we're just trying to work with the tuner to try to get like everything sorted out. Right now it's kind of driving how I want it, but not like 100%, so that's what we're trying to do. But if y'all reach this far into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So basically right now the tuner was saying I got a small leak somewhere in the system, so I'm gonna have to do a boost leak test. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna start back the tuning process. But for right now, I'm on the most recent map that he sent me like yesterday. So that's the map I'm on right now. But I'm gonna have to do the boost leak thing. Trying to get this thing up and running, man. Get this thing running right, so I could start putting out some killer content for y'all. Start dropping some bangers and start giving y'all some more content in Mexico, man. Cause I know y'all miss those content.
Once they have to work, ain't nobody safe. I'm on my game. Put it in their face. Yo, let's get to come outside. Niggas always having 90 days. I'm insane, no. Get on my knees when I'm in pain, no. Tired of the rain on my name. Oh, Jesus, please. Can you feel my needs?
Boy got a clean ass G80. Look like he just got it too. And I know my boy that's in the comment section. I know you want to see me press the car, bro. I know, but first remember, we have to tune it first. We have to make sure everything is on par first before we start racing, because I don't want to fuck up the motor, and it's not really finished on the tune yet. So that's why I haven't like doing any like hard pulls, just for that one dude in the comment section. This part is for you, so I have to wait, bro. So whenever you do your top mount turbo kit, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. You're gonna have to wait first. You don't wanna like really fuck up your motor before the fun even start. So with all that said, I hope y'all enjoy this short videos, like an update. So this is the video before BIMMER Invasion. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the videos to drop. I'm gonna show you all the builds and all of that I could record at BIMMER Invasion and all of that. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.